Hello, everyone. This is Ramone Smith, the job market economist. And in this video, I'm going to list several open remote jobs that are available for qualified candidates to apply right now. So I'm going to run down the list of the open remote positions right now. So the first one is a field service engineer 3 lab automation. Here's the link where you can apply for it. The next one is a project manager position. Again, this is remote. Here's the link where you can apply for it. The next one is a search performance manager. This one looks really good and interesting. Again, here is the link where you apply for it. The next one is a field service engineer 2, the link where you can apply for it. The next one is a technical data analyst. This seems like a really good one as well. Here's the link where you can apply for it. The next one is an e-commerce merchandiser planner. And again, here's the link to apply for it. The next one is a paid media manager. The next one is an AI security engineer / AI agentic security. That is a hot job that is emerging on the market right now. The next one is a contract senior marketing manager, HCP marketing sleep franchise position. The next one is an occupational therapist. The next one is a communication strategist, project manager position. The next one is a product marketing manager position. The next one is a field service engineer 2, LCMS. It's in San Diego, but remote. The next one is a senior accessibility lead. The next one is an AI program manager, PMO, strategy and communications. The next one is a senior product manager. The next one is a marketing revenue operations consultant position. And the next one here is a senior medical writer position. This one is a field service engineer 2, LCMS, MDDC. Again, it's a remote position. The next one is the senior accessibility lead position, a remote position. This next one is an AI program manager, PMO, strategy and communications. This is a good position that's emerging on the tech job market now. The next one is a field service engineer 2, LCMS, MDDC position. The next one is a senior accessibility lead, the field service engineer 2 again. The next one is a senior product designer. Again, here's the link to apply. This next one is a creative project manager position. This next one is a vice president business development. It is a remote position. Again, here's the link to apply. It's based in Waltham, Massachusetts. And the next one is a project scheduler, controller position. And the final one is a business development, biz dev representative position. Again, remote. Here is the link to apply. All of these jobs have the link to apply, and they also have a mini job description that explains what is required of the role. So feel free to explore, apply for the jobs. I'll post another job listing next week.